All right. Good morning. What is up, everybody? Let's see if we could share this on Twitter. Coffee and done. All right, so let's see where we're at with this stuff. Just getting started here. Go to JobRoll. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Do. All right. See if we want to share this on. Let's see if we want to share this on Facebook. I don't know. I don't know if I want to share this on Facebook, but we'll see. We'll see. Let's do this. Let's just do it. All right. All right. All right. Cool. So we basically have a couple of upgrades here. Let's see what we got. We got Webpack Dev Server. Okay, so we're gonna look at the ones that are passing right now, and just kind of get those in. So listen. Yeah, it's fine. 3.4 to 3.7. Yeah. Minor. So we're gonna squash and merge that sucker. Let's see. Pull requests. Country select. Yeah, that should be fine. I mean, even though that's major, like let's see. Yeah, that should be okay. Yeah, end of life for 2.5 to 5.2. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. We're just going to merge that sucker in. Let's see. ASM. Yeah, that's fine. Let's see. Add documentation. Yep. Fix I-18. Yep. It's all good. Okay, so there's some conflicts with the gem file there that we'll let dependabot address. Let's see. Let's what about boot snap? Yeah, looks like that's got probably merge this one in. This is, let's look. Mark Tailwind CSS has appeared dependency. Yeah, that's fine. We'll squash and merge that one. It's a patch, so not too worried about that. Let's see, Webpack Dev Server. Yeah, there's like I'm pretty sure we addressed this the other day. There was a, yeah, here we go. Needs work. So minimum compatible Webpack CLI version is 4.70. So there was a patch. It looks like from 4.10 to 4.11, which which is the new one, and we made sure that we met these versions, but we didn't check for Webpack CLI version 4.70. So we're gonna kind of whip that up right now. Bump, 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 bump. All right. All right. So CD, workspace, Jardim, JobRoll. Wow, that's loud. Let's put that down to. Yeah, we don't really care for this right now. JobRoll. Get checkout master. Haha. So we didn't do that. So we need to actually. We have some. Yeah. So let me double check something because I'm pretty sure. I need to fix that on my own time. I'm not gonna kind of do that here. So I'm just gonna use GitHub Desktop. There's a disconnect here between GitHub Desktop and the actual Git client, I think. So I'll look that up later. I'm not interested in fixing that for now. But if we do JobRoll, yeah, let's discard changes. I don't really care for that right now. Confirm. Yep. We're gonna pull origin. Alright, cool. An updated version of GitHub Desktop is available. Let's restart it. Alright. Cool. That's interesting. I'm pretty sure Pretzel rocks. Let me go to the play-in browser. Okay. Yeah, I kind of want to use Pretzel rocks, but I'm afraid of like takedowns and all that stuff. So I guess we'll keep it quiet for now. Go from there, which is cool. Leave it as is. It's fine. Okay. All right. So. And we're just going to do bundle because we've had some upgrades. All right. And we'll do some yarn. Yes. Coffee. Absolutely necessary. All right. Let's open this up in VS Code. Why? Why is this happening? Usually that sucks. Okay, so I'm getting some sort of WSL issue. The last time I had this issue was because of Docker. So I'm going to close this out real quick. See if I can, yeah, I'm going to close that out real quick. And then, why is that? Yeah, there's still some quirks around like development on Windows that I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, see, like, why is that happening? That doesn't make any sense. And then VS Code, yeah, so let's look this up. I mean, this is the thing about coding in public, right? Is trying to figure out these kind of weird issues that come up, which is kind of our jobs as engineers. Yeah, so let's see what's this saying. Yeah. All right, so cool. So we'll open up PowerShell, WSL shutdown. Yeah, let's try this out. Let's try this out. And then start it up. This kind of sucks. This I've experienced. Okay, so if I go to Ubuntu, Jardim JobRoll code. That's wild. Now it works. I don't know why. I mean, I don't understand it. Okay. New VS Code server. There you go. Add a stream marker. All right. Let's open up JobRoll and code. Okay, so August 2021. Welcome to the August 2021 version release of Visual Studio Code. Excuse me. Looks like we got a lot of good stuff here. Automatic language detection. Very interesting. Excuse me. All right. That's cool. You know, I don't know why this mic keeps kind of like falling here, but whatever. Alrighty. All right. So let's look for Webpack CLI. Where are you? And this is part of Webpacker 521. So let's go to Rail. All right, so this is a good one. I'm gonna kind of bookmark. Let's tweet this out. So let's see what we got here. All right, so let's go back to this. So we need to get to, if we look at what I had put in previously for this upgrade, we need a minimum compatible version of 4.7.0. And the version that we're on for Webpacker 5.2.1 depends on 3.3.12. So that's not going to be right. So we need to at Rails Webpacker. All right. And then, so we're on 5.2.1. Let's see what 5.2.2 has. Three 3.12. Or actually, let's, you know what we could do? We could switch versions here. So that's 5.2.2. Let's go 5.4.2. 5.4.2 still has 3.3.12. Which kind of sucks. Webpack 8 as Rails Webpacker. Yeah, so that release candidate has 4.8.0. So I really don't want to go to a major bump in Webpacker just yet. So we're going to kind of leave this. So I'm just going to say ref. I'm going to copy the link to this checklist. Ref. Blocker. And we'll just say blocked for now. Create a new blocked. Yeah, yeah. Sounds good. Alright, so I won't touch any of that stuff for now. We'll come back. Oh, and you know what I should do is probably go back here and just say summary, need to upgrade at Rails Webpacker to 6x release candidate so that we get Webpack CLI 4x series. Yeah. Just leave that as is for now. Just reading some stuff here. Yeah. All right. All right. Let's go back to this. Getting distracted here. Okay, so AASM. Yeah, that should be fine. We reviewed that earlier in this stream. Boot snap should be good too. Yeah, let's see. Causing boot snap to call the deprecated. Yeah, that's, yep. Yeah, it's fine. Squash and merge. Squash And Birch. Yep, Rebocop. Wow, 1-9 to... What did I miss? Missed a bunch of stuff. Let's get that upgraded. That's good. Rebocop I'm not too concerned with. Alpine, that... You know, I want to remove Alpine from... So part of this is like, I'm going to remove Alpine from this project. I don't want to deal with it. Puma... Nothing against Alpine. I think Alpine's great, but I think it'll be good. I think it would be good to just consolidate the stimulus for now. Puma 531 to 540 refactor bug fixes. I think that's fine. I've never really had an issue with these upgrades, so I'm gonna go with that. At Rails active storage. Okay. 6.14. Okay. So these are patches. Sad face. Oh, okay, here we go. That's what it was going. Okay, yeah, okay. So we were on 6.12. No changes, no changes. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, that's right, okay. That's fine, that's March. Yep, blob creation. Okay. The parameters sent to FFmpeg for generating a video are now configurable. Oh, cool. Nice, nice, nice. That's awesome. Okay. Yeah, this is good. This is good to go. Squash and merge. All right. So Cypress here. We have some really gnarly stuff happening. So Webpacker, yeah, so this is going to go all the way up, which is fine. We want to hit that. Faker, that should be good. Let's do stimulus rails. Let's see what... Word. Configure, configure, configure. Okay. Squash and merge, squash and merge. That's cool with me. Faker, yeah, I'm not concerned about any of this. Bug fixes, feature requests. Add supernatural TV show. Hilarious. Okay, updated locales, yeah, updated local dependencies. Yeah, okay. This is fun. Faker. Okay. Alpine, you know. I want to move away from Alpine. But we'll bump this first. Let's figure out what's going on here. Authentication spec. do rebase here to see. At Dependabot, please rebase. Comment. All right, Dependabot's gonna rebase this sucker. We can continue on with the other ones. Okay, Webpacker. I'm not concerned about this at all. 6 though is gonna be something, something, something. Although I don't know why I grabbed. Oh, this is to be determined. Yeah, but 5-4, 5-4-2. Yep, this is fun. We've kind of already, in the last couple of videos, we've already gone through that rabbit hole of Webpacker, so not concerned about it. Okay, so this is 188 to 102. I think that's fine. Pretty sure I can trust. Well, can never really trust all this, but let's take a look at the change log for this real quick. Do they have a change log? Contributing, no change log. You know, for a company that big, you think that they could you see all these other smaller companies or open source like Rail is doing all these change logs and making it easy to really digest upgrades. But nope. So we're going from 188 to 1112. Oh look, there's a version 2, which I had no idea about. What is this for? This is yeah. It's funny, ASM is like what? Okay. This is why it's very important, like when you're doing upgrades, to check out the actual, like what is getting upgraded, because like I would never have, like I'm pretty sure we just upgraded AASM. This stuff is not perfect. Yeah, we went from 5.11 to 5.20, so like why is this in here? Might need to tell at Dependabot to rebase, maybe? Yeah, so I'm not even gonna check that out yet. Alpine probably broke. There's probably some stuff here, so let's, if I want to remove, I'm gonna remove Alpine, so I'm not gonna even worry about that right now. And I'm pretty sure I told things to rebase, so yeah, that's fine. That's a patch. Fix list modifier selectors. Got it. Cool. Squash and merge. All right. Okay. That's good. So now, yeah, something broke there, I'm pretty sure. And let's see how the Cypress specs are coming along. Yep, installing JS dependencies, that's fine. Alright, so while we're at this, I'm gonna go ahead and try and run this sucker. So I will probably need another Ubuntu window to start. I'm gonna start Docker desktop. So I can start the database. Oh, God. It's morning. Halfway through the week, though. Okay, I have a container for backend running. Okay. JobRoll. Let's see. CD workspace. JobRoll. Docker compose up. Okay. All right, we'll use GitHub desktop. Fetch. I'm gonna pull. Get the latest. And then we'll install dependencies. So bundle. Yarn. And I just want to check code here real quick. I want to see. We have no seeds. I forget how I implemented off. Anyways, bundle exec Rails S. This is the thing when you come back to an app that you wrote like a long time ago. Localhost 3000. It's probably, yep, it's Webpacker. Sign into your account. We're going to sign in with Google. Aha! Yes, that's right. Let's actually create an account then. Okay. So email generated. We're going to copy. Yep. Cool. Sign in. Undefined method version for nil class. All right, there's no agreement. So let's look at how this was kind of set up. Agreement. Did I spell that right? Where is this? This is EULA. There's no agreement. User agreement. user agreement, user.rb, accepted user agreements, blah, 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 blah. All right, so we need to actually create a user agreement, which is cool. That's all. It's all fine and dandy. Okay. So that's an EULA controller. We need to create an agreement. Okay, so we have to create an agreement. So, okay, so let's actually do this. Since we're doing this right now, this is really annoying, right? So we're gonna actually create a seed. So we're gonna create a user agreement, which has many accepted user agreements. And if we look at the schema, yeah. All right, so this is probably an idea concept that I had, and I just kind of did not do it. User agreement equals user agreement dot create. User equals user dot create. Email. I am Batman at JobRoll.io. Password. Password confirmation. 4. And then let's do another thing that I kind of want to check here is, so I want to actually connect to the database here. So let's see if there's like a, I don't know of a Postgres client for Windows. I don't know. I don't know what exists. Beekeeper Studio. Interesting. Let's see. I just want to see what's in my database. So we're going to check this out. See how this works. And yeah, I want a GUI. Like, I could do this in the console, but I don't feel like it. It's Postgres. And if we want to look at the config, it's going to be local 5432, username, password is Postgres. Postgres. And the database is backend development. No default database. So I'm connected. I'm looking for there it is, toil development. Toil development. Yada, yada, yada. Okay, so I don't know how to use this tool. Anyways, we got users. Yep, we got encrypted path, blah, blah, blah. Confirmation, confirm that. Yeah, confirm that. Yeah, so we got to do confirm that. Time.now. I need to spend some time updating my because look at this. This is terrible. Cool. Yeah, so then the user agreement has many accepted user agreements. But we don't have a accepted user agreement model, do we? Oh, we do. Yeah, okay. Dot create user agreement is user agreement, and then user is user. And I don't think we need anything else there. So if we want to run this, we can just say, let's quit the server. Bundle up, not caps, bundle exec Rails DB migrate or DB seed. Cool. And if we now if we refresh this, yep, I am Batman. Cool. Start the server again. And now I might need to just kind of, nope, not settings. Inspect, application. Let's just clear everything. There we go. Cool. All right, so that's the initial seed to just get us in this sucker, which is fine. So we're gonna open up a new PR. I'm just gonna kind of do this. Let's see. Current branch, new branch, chore, create create initial seeds. Cool. Bring my changes. Switch the branch. Changes. Yep. So the only thing we did was this right here. We should put a new line in there. So, and I can automate that later by bringing in my settings. But that's fine for now. Did code get rid of my new line? Okay, and if we go back to GitHub Desktop and maybe if refresh, yeah, there we go. Okay, it's gone. What's this? I don't know what this means. Line endings will be, oh, okay, that's fine. All right, preliminary seed with user agreement. Seeds. Yes. Commit. Publish. All right. Go back to GitHub. Open up a PR. Nothing fancy. Creating some preliminary scenes so that we can get the app running smoothly for newcomers. Okay, so assign myself, chore, create pull request, let that run. All right, so Cypress did fine. Yeah, so I think that was the like flaky stuff that we fixed, and then we never rebased this, so. All right, we're going to squash and merge Cypress. Okay, we could wait on that. The AWS stuff I think that'll be fine. So we're just going to squash and merge that dependency. We got the seeds in. Webpack dev server, we had to wait on. This I want to wait for, because I actually want to remove my custom implementation of Tailwind for the Tailwind gem that Rails has. But it looks like it just kind of failed on this. Yeah, that's right. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna wait on that. Because, yeah, I want to implement the gem. Yeah, so we'll wait to get this preliminary seeds in. But yeah, this is the app. That we've got jobs, resumes, cover letters, companies, contacts, interviews. You can schedule. Yep, all this is just Tailwind. You can create your interview. You can schedule it. Stuff like that. It's not too bad. It's getting there. Well, it looks like we got some more updates coming in. So we'll just wait for those to kind of update. But like, yeah, I want to get rid of Alpine. Not a huge fan of having multiple dependencies like that, and I'd rather just use Tailwind. I mean, Stimulus. So at this point, because I'm pretty comfortable with that. So we'll just wait. We found. Yeah, there's a bunch of security. Yeah, so now that we merged in those dependency updates, now new ones are coming in. because they think Dependabot will only open up like 15 at a time or something like that, to that extent. So yeah. While we're on this with the Tailwind stuff, okay. So preliminary seeds passed. We're gonna merge that in. Which is good. And yeah, so let's close all. Go back to GitHub Desktop. We're gonna switch to master. We're gonna fetch. Pull. Awesome. So we have our seeds in. Now, the thing that I kind of want to look at is Rails has a Tailwind gem. Pretty sure. Yeah, there we go. So basically, I want to get rid of everything Tailwind, and then I want to reinstall all of it. So, because I don't think, if I look at this and Tailwind, yeah, we don't have the gem. So I want to get rid of all of this. Right? So I'm going to get rid of all of that. Post CSS, Tailwind, auto prefixer, and I want to get rid of this post. Yeah, I want to get rid of that because hopefully, you know, we just let's delete that. I don't think. Yeah, there's nothing. I don't think I need to do anything there. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of this. And let's look at the changes. So we're just getting rid of all custom Tailwind implementation. That's all we're doing. So go back to Ubuntu. I'm gonna run yarn. Which is all good. Coffee gives me the feels in the morning. Fuzzy feels. Let's just take a look at everything that's happened. In the repo. Yeah, so action cable. Yep, so we actually, we looked at all this already, and that's fine. We can squash and merge that. Factory bot. Nah. Yeah. Nothing too risky there. Let's see. Cypress on Rails. Yeah, I think we could do all this. This is fine. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah. All right, so if we look at the difference here, yeah, we got a lot of good stuff happening here. We're just getting rid of things we don't need. So we're gonna create a new branch. Chore default tailwind to gem. Bring my changes. And then the first commit's going to be removing custom tailwind CSS implementation. No. Okay, sorry. How do we undo that commit? Okay, cool. Yeah, because I wanted all of these. Yeah. Now. Yeah. All right. So that's all good. Let's see. Let's publish the branch. Okay, we're not going to create a pull request just yet, but now we want to install this sucker. So we're just going to copy that. Go to JobRoll, or I guess we'll just type it because I got copy and paste messed up here. Bundle add tailwind CSS Rails. Cool. And then we're going to do bundle exec Rails tailwind CSS install. Utility classes for development, but you wouldn't want to ship all those unused classes in production. So the sprockets compressor included in this gem is used to purge the tailwind file from all those unused classes for production. Note, this compressor is currently not compatible with the default sprockets cache system due to the fact that its output depends on files outside of sprockets. Yep, that makes sense. So this cache is disabled in production. If you need to disable in other deployed environments, add the following to that environment configuration file. All right. If you need to customize what files are searched for, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. It also adds a style sheet link tag tailwind and style sheet link tag enter font to your application file. So let's look at the changes here. We've got, so let's bring that up. Application. Let's bring up that layout. So we go app, views, layouts, application. I think this is fine because also I'm pretty sure this should be turbo. Yeah, I gotta get rid of turbo links. Yeah, we gotta convert to turbo at some point. But let's just let's do this because we don't have turbo right now. So we'll just move that. But yeah, I think this makes sense because yeah, okay. This would be like your base, I think. And then your overrides. So I think that's okay. So let's actually see what this looks like. It's probably going to be kind of messed up, which is fine. So this is what it looks like before, right? So we're going to leave that open. We're going to launch the server, open up a new tab, and it's probably going to look all messed up, but that's fine. Yeah. So that's the dashboard. You can see there's a little bit of a difference, but that could be because we're on a different version. Fonts are a little... All right, so what is this saying? Something about Alpine, which we're going to remove. No post CSS config found. Not sure why. Yeah, I want to get rid of Alpine, to be honest. Let's see. This is gonna be interesting. So if we do app, JavaScript, packs, application, require Alpine JS. I'm pretty sure if we comment that out, I have a feeling this is probably going to be okay now. No errors. Or maybe not. Trying to figure out like why why this would be happening. Okay, so something in application CSS, which is in here, and it probably has to do with that apply. My guess is that. Why is this? What's this? Do not use empty rule sets. Oh. Okay, that's a good idea. Unknown at apply. Yeah. I'm curious. Issues. My guess is like if you wanted to use that apply, which is probably not a good idea anyways, to be honest. Yeah, like because which is fine. I think if we were to kind of remove all this, I think all the at applies would then be, because you can see it's kind of getting messy. It's getting messy by using at apply in that fashion. So it's probably better to just kind of have custom stuff at that point. What else in here is causing okay, so why would, I'm curious why, like, no post CSS config found. Oh. If I'm on 522, let me, so I'm on 542. So as part of this work, we removed post CSS, which probably we want to add back in. So let's add that back in because that's kind of breaking our stuff right now. So we're going to do Control C, yarn, add post CSS. Okay. Auto prefixer. Yeah, let's leave that for now. And then for the post CSS config, yeah, well, we had auto prefix. Yeah, that's fine. That's for T. I guess we'll prefixer. We'll add that back in. And then this posts css.config file will config.js, right? Post css.config.js. We'll grab all of this, drop that in here. We'll get rid of Tailwind CSS. We'll leave prefixer in. I've got to actually update this, get my tools in order. Yeah, because we want to do import and nested. Probably don't need import, but we need nested for sure. And probably auto prefixer there. Okay, so let's start the server. And I think that'll do it. Yeah, because we need post CSS in order to process the files properly. I forgot about that. All right, so now Webpack's going to compile. Can I find post CSS nested? That's fine, I think. No? Oh, it came with... That's right. Okay. So we need post CSS nested, yarn add. So we could probably go in here. Post CSS nested requires post CSS 8. And we are on 8. Let's see. I am on 8. I don't know why that is giving me... Once the rest of your tools have added support for post CSS 8, when I upgrade it to inside my... This doesn't make any sense. I have post CSS 8. Is it because a webpacker? Yeah. Module build failed. Let's see if we update the post CSS loader. Let's see. Yarn add post CSS loader. Front end dependencies. Always a pain. Yep. Yeah, my guess is if we go back to Webpack, so we might need to just update Webpacker, to be honest. That's probably gonna slow us down the most here. Tags, RC. Yeah, because then we can just kind of add post CSS loader. Yeah. Which is our problem right now. Because if I then go in here, I'm pretty sure, yeah, post CSS loader, yeah. So Webpacker 6 kind of breaks all this apart so that it's a lot easier for you to manage these dependencies yourself. Unfortunately, yeah, we're not going to get to upgrading or implementing custom Tailwind because the Webpacker stuff is really the problem here. So it might be that the next stream we'll probably tackle that. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do here is, so I'm not gonna add that. I mean, yeah, I'll add all this stuff in. Work in progress. Post CSS loader, not compatible with this Webpacker version. So we'll have to come back to this in the next stream. All right, everyone, thank you for joining today. I don't know if there was actually anyone in the stream today, but this was super awesome. Yeah, this was great. We made a lot of headway. There's still some updates here to kind of check out, but yeah, we did a lot of good work. Next stream, probably dive into upgrading to Webpacker 6, and I think that will enable us to then get off our custom Tailwind implementation and use the gem, and it will just alleviate a lot of the problems that at least I've personally faced with Webpacker 5X. 6 is going to be really good. All right, everyone. Well, take care. Have a good Wednesday, and I will see you all later.